Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Boys, in front of you is a mystery box full of mystery ingredients. We'd like you to each cook up something using all of the ingredients in the box.
All of the ingredients.
Lift the lid.
Right. Okay. This is usually a box of horrors, but today
This is a very unmysterious box.
Full disclosure, we've just returned from the US and we are all jet lagged. So we've tried to make this as easy as you'd like, but also you could be creative.
Okay.
That's why I'm here.
That's why Kush is here.
butter,
Eggs.
mayonnaise,
Tomatoes.
some seeded granary bread,
Some unseeded sourdough bread.
chicken breasts, skin on,
Lettuce.
and then delicious Iberico pork.
You're allowed to use anything else from the sorted staples store cupboard. You're feeding Ben in about 45 minutes. He's hungry, he wants lunch. So I think we should get to it.
It's really hard not just to make a good bacon sarnie there, isn't it, Jay?
I can see exactly what I should make. The simplicity of this challenge is what's going to screw me over.
Yep.
Because all I can see is a club sandwich.
Yes, Jamie! These are all the ingredients for a classic club sandwich.
Now, you have two options. Do you make the greatest, most intricately put together club sandwich ever and go for the win, or do you take the ingredients of a club sandwich and make an altogether completely different dish for the win?
Wow.
Let's get cooking!
Wow. You can't beat a club sandwich.
I am not going to make a sandwich.
I am going to make a sandwich.
Oh, brilliant! Let's go! Okay, lads, get ready to cook in 3, 2, 1, go!
Why are you taking my chicken?
I know, sorry.
Get your own chicken!
So what are you doing, Jay?
I'm going to go down a panzanella route.
Oh, panzanella, ella,
But it does leave me with a couple of question marks. Where does an egg go in a panzanella? Is one of the questions. As is, where does the mayonnaise go? Like, can you do a panzanella with an egg mayonnaise? I don't know. These are questions that we'll find the answers to throughout the next 45 minutes.
Baz, how are you feeling? What are you feeling?
I'm nervous. Technically, I'm going to make a sandwich, but I'm not sure it's ever been called that because I'm making a Indian croque madame.
Oh no.
What?
We're getting cancelled.
I saw the chicken, I saw the mayonnaise, I thought coronation chicken. But again, I thought, where'd you put the egg? So I went, stick it on top with some bechamel sauce. You got yourself an Indian croque madame.
So it's a coronation chicken sandwich with an egg on top.
Yes.
Where's the tomato going?
We'll get to that bit. I haven't quite worked it all out yet.
There's so many unknowns and I love it.
Yeah. So far, both boys have chosen dishes that only use the ingredients they've been given. They haven't gone for pasta, because they've already got carbs that they're learning. They haven't gone for any herbs yet, easy flavour. So I wouldn't say it's very chefy at the moment, so I think it's going to be on balance and seasoning. Mike, what would you make if these were your ingredients?
I obviously would probably use the breadcrumbs to make some sort of fried chicken thing. I could maybe stuff it with the bacon.
Oh, you could wrap the bacon around the chicken and then bread it with the egg and the breadcrumbs.
Deep fry it.
And then serve it with a garlic mayo and
like a garlic aioli.
Garlic aioli and a little shredded lettuce slaw.
Yeah, maybe.
And then you might have time to make waffles as well.
Tin of tomatoes.
Oh, nice spicy salsa on the side.
Yeah.
Delicious. Shane.
I don't know what I'm doing. I've just got my head down and I'm
You
just
said you
started
didn't
cooking.
know what to do with the tomatoes and you're slicing them.
Yeah, because I didn't even think of tomatoes. I just thought if I start doing something with them, something might happen.
Thinking tomato.
I don't know.
Juicy chicken.
Juicy. Whoa, flipping nailed that.
Yeah, it's perfect, is it?
It is, I think it's absolutely perfect. Chef, would you agree?
That is. Ooh.
That's stunning. Thanks.
Gosh, I need that.
All right.
To be fair, Ebbers is going to like that even more now it's had Cush's mouth on it. Yes.
Yes, Jay.
I've used the butter, boys.
Oh, I like that. Bit of seasoning, foaming butter. You haven't forgotten how to cook. You're doing an open sandwich.
I'm not making a sandwich at all.
He's making a boring salad.
You've got all ingredients for a sandwich there.
What, do you think I should make a panzanella sandwich?
Why don't you make a club sandwich with panzanella in the middle?
Gush,
Yes.
a curry spice.
Sorry, ask that in a proper formatted question.
Can I have some curry spice, please?
What is curry spice?
It's a mixture, isn't it? Garam masala?
Garam masala?
I like a pre-mix, if that was all right, if you're having a pre-mix.
Yes. It's in the back kitchen.
Flippin' egg!
Jay, if you eat all of his tomatoes now, he won't have used tomatoes and be disqualified. What have you got, Baz? What's happening?
We've got a pre-made buttered chicken masala spice mix.
Oh, okay.
So I'm basically melting down my butter. I've used the chicken and bacon fat from earlier. I'm going to add some of my spice and then my flour.
Oh, you're making coronation bechamel.
Yeah.
Coronation bechamel.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going in new directions. Nice.
Right, so
Okay,
you're not
unique.
making coronation chicken and putting
yeah.
bechamel on top?
Coronation bechamel and coronation mayonnaise for
No,
coronation chicken.
I'm going all bechamel.
You're going for a double
All
coronation.
bechamel.
Yeah.
You're crowning twice.
Nice.
If you're enjoying this, there are some small things you can do that make a big difference to us. Like the video. Subscribe if you aren't. Click the notification bell and select all. Thanks.
Next up, I've got my water coming up to poaching temperature, and I'm going to poach an egg that's going to sit on the top. I still need to figure out where I'm going to use the mayonnaise. I've had an idea about turning my salad into a salad sandwich.
Just had the idea.
You're going to put that salad, which has chopped up bread, between two slices of bread.
Yeah, because it's like a chopped salad.
What are you doing with chicken?
I'm going to chop that up. It's
And
gonna
that's
go
all
through,
going-
Yeah, it's going to go through the salad as well.
Great.
It's a deconstructed, reconstructed club sandwich.
How's the bechamel tasting, Basil?
That is good. Actually, it does need seasoning now. Oh, it's warmer than I thought it was going to be, but perfect for Ebbers.
What do you mean, spicy-wise?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Perfect for Ebbers. Captain Chili.
Boys, you have 15 minutes remaining.
Do we?
Let's finish this off.
Yeah, 58. It's coming out.
Where's our really sexy olive oil?
The Monica Galetti sexy
Yes,
olive oil.
please.
In the kitchen.
Okay, I'll get that in a minute.
Did you just summon the egg to the surface?
Yep.
So, our filling, we've got chicken, bacon, mayonnaise, pepper, and then going some nuts. I've got some pistachio and some almonds, and then some raisins as well, to give it a fruity vibe and a slight coronation kick. But I'm not putting spice in the middle. Spice is on top.
Happy, Spaff?
Yeah, quite happy.
A club's always got a slice in the middle.
Club does have a slice in the middle.
Yeah.
It's not a club otherwise.
Yeah.
No, I have to do 3.
No, it won't fit them, Jay. No. That's silly. 5 minutes left.
Have we used everything?
I think I've used everything.
I've noticed that Barry's left the kitchen nearly 5 times now. Jamie's hasn't once.
Jay, am I right in saying that you're using only the ingredients in the box and nothing else?
Plus garlic.
Oh, garlic.
But other than that, yes. Come on.
Do you want me to watch your toast while you go get a plate?
Or I could watch the toast and you could get the plate.
I can get you any plate I want.
Yes.
He doesn't care about plates.
This might not go so well.
So, Jamie, I've picked you this plate.
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Christ. Right.
Three minutes remaining.
Boys, I've not thought this through.
2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining.
There's already bread in there.
I said you got premature croutons.
But now I've got 3 slices of bread.
And how many slices are in this?
I think I put 3 in there.
This is a thick fly sandwich.
Right, compiling my sandwich. My coronation mix is in now on top with my bechamel, my spiced bechamel.
Are you planning to gratinate this sandwich as is
Yep,
tradition?
once it's on, so the eggs are going on again.
1.5 minutes remaining.
Having to finish off.
Construction time. Toast, panzanella, chicken and bacon.
I mean, the breads are all the bread uses different texture.
Yeah. We've got moist, burnt, sliced, dry, wet.
Hey, it's not burnt. What's burnt? He didn't burn anything.
This is the first time I've turned around to see what you're making. And you're definitely not making a club sandwich.
Nope.
You making an open sandwich?
Am I F?
So you're gonna squash all that hard work with a top.
If you turn around and say this is bruschetta, we've got issues.
You're making a toast pyramid.
I'm making...
Jamie! That's an open sandwich.
It's not, it's a house of cards.
Jamie, you've made an open sandwich. Do you realise what you're doing right now? You're undoing all of your hard work over the years.
What's happened?
Close it!
Is that not the simple...
Jay, press one slice up against it nicely and eat the other slice. That's dreaders. You can't
Awful,
do that.
Jamie.
You have 30 seconds remaining. Oh, Barry's going bougie.
Bougie olive oil.
Someone's raiding the pretentious ingredients cupboard.
I've got a little side salad here. My lettuce, tomato and bacon.
Just tilt. No, one slice tilted up along the side.
Stop coaching!
Look at that. That actually looks hipstery. Yeah.
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I cannot wait for these reactions. Let's get these into the sexies.
Big news! We've got another Sorted Live streamed event and it's going to be huge.
Across Saturday the 5th and Sunday the 6th of August, we're taking over an entire house to bring you the Wild Weekender, completely live and interactive.
Think of it as a whole weekend of the sorted cooking craziness that you know and love, mixed with house party vibes, mixed with festival vibes, and, well, it's gonna be carnage and it's gonna be live. We've got recipe relays with Pass It On fire, and a Pass It On where our kids create a crazy recipe brief, a late night style interactive quiz with Janice,
A cooking obstacle course in the Olympic Games, chefy cooking challenges with Kush and Ebbers, the return of James Curry,
a poker face pool party challenge,
and tons more.
As always, you can watch the madness unfold live or on demand at a time that suits you for up to 30 days after the event.
You can find all the info and tickets by using the QR code or by clicking the link in the description box below.
So get your mates together, grab some food and buckle up for our biggest live event ever.
We cannot wait to see you on the live stream.
That's a seatbelt.
I'm glad. Thanks for clarifying.
Good clip.
Okay, so A. Oh my goodness. Coronation, madame. Butter chicken masala, bacon, fruit, nuts, spiced bechamel, and a fried egg. Interesting. And B. Toasted chicken and bacon panzanella sandwich, poached egg with mustard mayo. Right.
So we can tell you that in the mystery box was essentially the ingredients to a club sandwich. Our challenge was to do something a little bit different.
With club sandwich ingredients.
Yes.
Excellent. I love a croque madame. A croque madame with a twist. Oh my goodness. It's not a croque madame, it's just a sandwich with bechamel on the top. Very good. Nice spicing. It's got the fruitness in it. It's got some nuts in there. And then some dried fruit. Butter chicken masala might be a push. But it's got that kind of curried, fruit-spiced richness of a croque madame. Egg's got crispy bottom, runny yolk, and a nicely dressed salad. The French, and perhaps Her Late Majesty, would be impressed. Right, and this one, don't quite know what it's on a cake stand. The essence of a sandwich is the fact it's encased in bread. To then put soggy bread inside of encased bread is an odd concept. That has been vinegared. Good poached egg. There's a lot of vinegar involved.
You chose not to eat this top slice.
Well, I don't really know what that's doing. It's kind of not toasty, but greasy. I'll be honest, boys, I'm confused by this effort.
This was a jet lag battle.
No, I don't want these excuses now.
No. This is how it was set up. It was set up as a jet lag battle.
I think this one has potential as an idea and a concept. Although I'm not sure it's quite made it to the plate. It's a little bit out of balance, but it's interesting. This one, I'm lost for words with.
Wow!
Why would you put a soggy bread salad inside of greasy, soggy bread? That cannot win. Which means that by default, that one does.
Emma's, now you have to guess who did what.
Well, this has got a poached egg, which is very you, and panzanella is very Italian, which is kind of more your bag. I think that's your mess, and I think that's you.
Thank you very much. Comment down below. Let us know.
Was the other way around?
I'm not taking responsibility for that.
I like it.
I don't know why.
I mean, you watched the whole process. I don't know what went down in the studio today, so comment down below which one should have won. Give it your vote in the comments.
Once this recipe has been perfected by Kush and the team, you can find this on the Sidekick app. There'll be a link on screen somewhere.
I get the raisins.
If you want the recipe for this, it's going to be on my Instagram. At Jamie Stafford.
Well done. Well done.